Hey fam, welcome to Sarian Gaming. I tell you what, I got a new piece of tech today and I love it. I love it. The Elgato Stream Deck XL. It's got 32 buttons over the 15 of my Mini. I believe it's a Mini. I don't know, it's super tiny. Well, it don't say on the unit itself, but it's the 15 button one regardless. So this adds like 17 more buttons because it's got 32 buttons on it. It's quite a bit heftier too. We're gonna have to find some room on the desk for it. But I did want to upgrade because the other one that I have, while it still works perfectly, I did need a little bit more space. I felt like I was kind of suffocating a little bit because as I've grown with the channel and doing these things, I've wanted more functionality out of it. And I did learn that you can do folders and stuff like that, but still ran out of space. So I sprung for this little fellow. It's not cheap at $249.99 US dollars, but I mean, I'm thinking it's going to be pretty worth it here. Now, I haven't taken it out of the box yet, but we will definitely be taking it out of the box soon. So that'll be coming up here in just a moment. Alright, so now we're going to do the unboxing here. And I think... yeah, come on. I could have got a knife, but I didn't feel like finding mine, so... I guess we're going to do it this way. Oh yeah. Now, it's been killing me to not open this because I wanted to use it last night on the stream, but with me wanting to do a tech video about it, I had to hold off. But that's okay. I mean, it's going to be worth it in the end because now tonight, since I'm doing the unboxing here, we're going to use it tonight. Maybe we'll start setting it up. Man, I hate how sticky these things are. These things can be a pain in the butt sometimes. I should have just found my knife, but whatever. We got it. That's all that matters. Alright. Let's see what we got. Set that off to the side here. Now that must be the easy setup guide. Ooh. That is a hefty boy. Hefty boy. Okay, that just comes off. Oh, I like that. I like that. In just a second, and I'll show you what I'm dealing with here. So it comes with the main unit. And maybe. Okay, it comes with a Type C. Okay, so that's a Type C port. Put it right. Okay. So is that all that this boy comes with? Just want to be sure. Yep, and then the Elgato thing. Like informational packet. Alright, perfect. So that was unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck XL. Let's see here. It's a big boy, let me tell you. So the light's kind of shining off of it, but so that's as big as my face almost, man. I like that. So where does the cable go? Oop. Oh. Air. Okay. So I'm not seeing where the cable goes though. So it goes right in there. I see, and it's got a nice little cable management. I wonder how long this cable is that goes to it, as my computer's kind of decently far away from all my setup. So we'll find out if she works. I do have an extender, so worst case scenario, we're going to keep that USB cover though. I like that. Yeah, I don't like that sound though. Alright, so just like that. Let me see if I can't run that real quick. I probably shouldn't have plugged in. Oh god, shouldn't I? Because she will not be mine anymore. She is going to my wonderful girlfriend. She served me well, but her time with me is done. So we'll be giving that to the wonderful girlfriend. Oh yeah. Oh nice. And oh, there you have it. And that light's kind of bright. So now we've definitely got some more options that we can do with the bigger model. So bigger model, I think I'm going to try to slide right in front here. I think that looks pretty darn good. Pretty darn good indeed. I love the way that it's got that magnetic base, so I'm not going to sit there and knock it down. I used to knock the other one down quite a bit. But, alright. Well, there you have it. That's the unboxing of the Stream Deck XL. We have it set up now. I'm going to go through and program the buttons again so I can let me see, does it work? That worked. Wonder if the it's because I'm not on the live scene. Okay. Alright, well, that'll end it for this video. We will see you guys in the next one, and I can't wait to make many more of these tech unboxings. It's been one of my passions to do, so we'll catch you on the next one, guys.